Making movie magic, bro.
Like, I don't know, Gulf Blue is like a thing for me, where it just takes the heart all the time, all the time. I got Rigo over there working.
Rigo!
I'm not Rigo!
Why are you driving a Lambo when it don't shoot flames? Why you...
They finally pulled up. All these supercars are cool, but this right here, right there. So we're here this morning at TopGear Imports. The debate was either to go here or go to H2OI. I never went to H2OI. I really wanted to go, but I couldn't pass this opportunity. GT3 RS, Gulf Blue. GT2 RS, by the way, I love that color. I'm in love with that color. A G over there, G-Wagon. G63. Just some beautiful cars here, and going inside is next level. Like the ultimate dream garage you could ever imagine right here. This is just everything you could dream of. Everything. Right there, 105. And 159, just chilling. Like, what? Oh my, the Bugatti. Like, I feel like Stradman right now. It's just lucrative. Like the cars here are just, look who it is. A mini-me. Yeah. Yeah. Jose, Kevin. Look at these spec cars, bro. Fuck. Like, nothing. But yeah, this guy, like, his Porsche collection is over the top. Like, career. 918s. Oh, for my BMW fans, the E30 M3 over there. Just amazing. Wow. Wow. I'm just lost for words. Magnus Walker would be proud right now. Old school over there. Yeah, 2002 race car. This collection is pretty dope. Pretty awesome. Yeah, sport cars. There's just the quality of cars here is just next level. And I walked in the even famous green one right there. Lost for words. But yeah, we're about to head out to Gardner State Plaza, and now we're just here early just to get some rollout videos and roller shots and stuff like that. Me, Rigo, and Siraj. And yeah, it's about to be an eventful day. Like, I don't know, Gulf Blue is like a thing for me, where it just takes the heart all the time, all the time. I got Rigo over there working. Today, I guess I'm a Porsche guy, but I'm loving it. Sure gone. Sure gone.
Making movie magic, bro.
But yeah. Let me just walk around this GT3 RS over here. Because when I play, well, I can't afford this, so when I play Forza, it's always a Gulf Blue wrap. Always. Has to be. It's just beautiful. Like, words can't describe how beautiful this car is. It's just, wow. From the roll cage to the seats. You can't go wrong. You really can't. You really can't. You really can't go wrong. I think I would take that over a Huracan any day of the week. The asshole lineup. I never said that, but the asshole lineup. How do you guys feel about this stripe right here? Let me know what you guys think about that stripe. Basically, everything you could think of is here. Except for, what car would I say is not here today? Let me think. No McLaren Sennas. I don't see any 720s yet. Aventador SV blacked out. I'm liking it. This is why I can't, like, the SV just has my heart. It really does. It really does. I'm trying to be like BC when I grow up. Can I just have BC money? Like, beautiful Ford GT. This is definitely how I would expect my P1, just blacked out, red accents.
Where are you?
I'll still take this over the McLaren Senna any day. What? How is this even real? Seriously. Push rod suspension is just... Look at that rear end. Oh my god. Remember what was with Savant? Wow. Weird Ferrari thing. Let me ask him. This 1 of 5? Oh. Fast and the Furious. The Charger. I don't know if it's an RT or a regular Charger, but this is a badass. For sale. This brings back memories right here. Up here. Damn, those Forgiatos. GT3 is pretty rad. All these supercars are cool, but this right here, right here, the Evo, yes, let's not get Evo right here, like, what? Bro.
I might find it. I might think about that. Take down my Instagram. I don't know. What's the Instagram? It's PEEDUH.
You're good, bro. Go ahead. It's a vlog. It's a good.
I'm driving.
Oh, white out.
I'm talking to some car guys.
This is sexy. PCNY.
And they're not
Sexy. Finally have the king here. We've been waiting all day. They finally pulled up. King Tasma. And then we have the watch out, the original king. $720S. China all over the place. Like, all over the place. Savan! Oh shit. What's good, bro?
What's up, man?
Chillin'. The whole squad just rolled in deep.
You have a skirt.
488. Over here, King Tasma. Right here, see? Like stuff here. No car. And then the original. It's pretty cool. It's Roman's car. Never gets old. Never does. Never gets old. Black wheels on this side. And then he has the bronze look. With like the accents of the car. Which is pretty cool. Roman always kills it. But yeah. Dina! Yeah, there's too much cars there. There's just so much to do. Walk around, you know, see cool stuff. Loving this new color on the F90. Aventador with the Forgiatos doing it for me. Holy fuck. Is this a wing on a wing? It's pretty dope. Pretty cool. Neon looking R8. How do you guys feel about this R8?
Motor change or drivetrain change? Or just aesthetics?
This lineup. Fucking amazing. I approve. The car that was under the covers this morning that I showed you guys earlier, the 918, is there.
What's up, man?
959. GT Tool RS. The roof, TopGear. Pretty dope. You don't see them a lot around here, so yeah.
Alright, let me see your garage. Let's go.
Here in my garage, and the cars that I don't fucking own. We're starting off with the 720 right here, Gumball Rally. I took that, I was bored. I didn't want to change the color on this, so I got another 720 just because, you know. And then my Higher BC, I got fucking bored, so I respect another one for my son, my piece of shit son. And you know, Kristen Koenigsegg kept bothering me, so I had to get a Koenigsegg. Lamborghini sent me these two because I didn't. Diablo, I can't see shit out of this car, but I drive it anyway. And you know, because why not? Super 812, right? It's new.
Rigo!
I'm not Rigo. Why did you do it?
Why you driving a Lambo and it don't shoot flames?
Why you
And it don't shoot,
extra, bro?
huh?
Why you mad extra, bro?
You don't shoot flames.
Yeah.
You don't shoot flames. Like what's the point?
Alright guys, so that's it for TopGear's event. Damn, you guys can't even see me. But that's it for TopGear event. It was a good turnout, like cars from everywhere that came out. It was pretty cool. But I think I'm gonna call it a day because I mean I seen everything here and we're looking at, you know, there's some pretty cool cars. It was a really good turnout. Everyone that showed up was like, I'm not gonna lie, Was it worth missing H2O? Yes, I agree. I definitely agree this was worth missing H2O. So until next year, I guess. All right, guys. See you. Have a good one.